So we know that companies would like to make their processes more efficient. Are you thinking of moving from the waterfall approach to the agile development approach within your company? Well, this is the right course for you. Hi, my name is Syed and I'll be the instructor for this course. I've been in the training industry for a little over 20 years and I've been managing enterprise level projects for the last several years. In this course, I'm going to show you how you can transition or move from the current waterfall approach of project management to the agile project management. I'm going to be talking about the fundamental concepts of what waterfall approach is, and then how agile development takes place, and how do you actually transition, and that's the key part of this course. So I'm going to be talking about some of the constraints that we have in current waterfall, such as costs, times, and so on. And then moving towards the agile development methodology, I'm going to be talking about the phases in depth, so you really understand how your current projects are being managed within your company. And once you implement the agile approach, maybe a pilot program, how does that affect your projects? So your stakeholders, senior management can actually see the difference between managing a waterfall approach project versus an agile. Who's this course for? Well, I've designed this course for some experience that you have as a project manager. And if not, that's fine. So really at the beginner's level, if you have taken the Intro to Project Management course, that's great. You'll be able to understand several key concepts and then move further with this course. If you're an intermediate or expert project manager, that's great. Maybe you'll learn some tips and techniques. But really the course is designed for beginner level project managers or individuals who are managing small scale IT projects and they want to learn how to move from waterfall to agile approach. And I welcome your feedback as you go along the course. I'd love to hear your questions, your comments, your thoughts, some of the projects that you're working on. That's the best way to engage among each other. So what are you waiting for? Jump right in, enroll now, and I will see you in class.